We will guide you through Excel's essential functions, features, and shortcuts. Our step-by-step guide will help you master Excel in no time. Number 1. Getting started. Firstly, open the Excel application. You will be presented with a blank workbook. Number 2. Creating a spreadsheet. Navigate to the File tab and select New. From here, you can select a range of templates for your spreadsheet or choose a blank workbook. Number 3. Inputting data. Begin inputting your data on the spreadsheet. Use clear and concise headings to ensure readability. Number 4. Formatting. To make your data visually appealing, formatting your spreadsheet is essential. You can use the formatting options to change the font, color, size, and alignment of your data. Number 5. Formulas. Formulas are the backbone of Excel. They do the calculations for you, saving you valuable time. Basic formulas include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Number 6. Functions. Functions are more advanced formulas which can solve complex calculations easily. Excel has a wide range of functions, such as sum, average, count, and VLOOKUP. Number 7. Charts. Visualize your data using charts. Excel offers a range of charts, including line graphs, bar charts, and pie charts. Conclusion: Excel is a valuable tool that can save you a significant amount of time and effort. With our easy step-by-step guide, mastering Excel has never been simpler. Start organizing your data and making insightful analysis today with Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.